Unlock the power of your words and connect with your audience like never before, all within the Beehiiv platform. Let's dive into how to add your first post on Beehiiv first. Log in to your Beehiiv account and navigate to your dashboard. You'll see a clear option to create a new post. Click on it to begin. This is your content creation hub. The main area is where you'll write your article or update. Start typing your engaging headline here. Then move down to craft the body of your message. Don't be afraid to express yourself. Beehiiv makes it intuitive. Now, let's make your content shine. Use the formatting tools at the top to emphasize key points. You can make text bold for impact. Use italics for subtle emphasis. And even add headings and subheadings to structure your article for easy reading. Bullet points are perfect for lists. Visuals are crucial to add an image. Look for the image icon within the editor. Clicking this will typically open a menu where you can upload an image from your computer or paste a URL. Once you've selected your image, Beehiiv will handle the upload. Position it within your text where it best enhances your message. Remember, well-placed images can significantly improve reader engagement. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Click the preview button to see exactly how your post will look to your subscribers. This allows you to catch any formatting errors or typos. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, you have publishing options. You can choose to publish immediately by clicking the Publish Now button. Or you can schedule your post for a future date and time using the handy calendar icon. This is perfect for planning your content calendar. And that's it. You've successfully added a post on Beehiiv. Your voice is now ready to be shared with the world, reaching your subscribers effectively and effortlessly. Happy publishing!